All right, we're going to get into more advanced questions around compound interest and the compound depreciation. So, in this question, we have Brissa opens a savings account or opened a savings account 5 years ago. The account earned 4.5% interest compounded monthly. If the current balance is $800, what was her initial deposit? So, in the context, right, are 5 things that we're looking for to use the formula for compound interest or depreciation. We are missing her starting amount. How much did she initially deposit? So that's what we're looking for. So these types of problems, now we're going to have these variables what we're looking for. Okay, we're either looking for PV, R, or N. Okay, so how much is there in the account right now after 5 years? It's 8,000. So this is the final value that is in the account after how many years? 5. How much is it, or how many times is it compounding? 12 times. What is the interest rate? 4.7%. So now we have everything we need to use the compounding interest formula. I plug in everything that I know. I know the final value is 800. I know my R is 4.7. My K or how many times it compounds? 12 in this case. And how many years am I looking? 5. Once I have this, I can now use numeric solver, or you can solve it by hand, but I'm going to use numeric solver just to save me some time. So 800, again, this is the E1, the left side of the equal sign, and then everything else, this is going to be my E2. I'm going to use, for what I'm looking for, the initial value, I'm going to use as X. I'm then going to do 1 plus my fraction, 4.7 over 100 times 12, my K, raised to the power of 12 times 5. Press 1, press alpha, enter, and there we go. We're going to get a huge value that goes on for a while, but again, I'm just going to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to take 632.74705. I'm going to look for the second decimal place. It's the 4. Should I round that 4 up? Well, it depends on the number to the right. In this case, it's 7, which causes this 4 now to turn into a 5. So, Brissa initial deposit was about $632.75 into her savings account 5 years ago. Okay. Again, these types of problems are going to now have, instead of looking for FV, it's going to have either this variable, or this variable now missing that you have to look for. Okay. Try your skills with the next 2 problems. Okay. If you have any concerns, reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.